Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install the Chia on your server, you need next system requirements: quad-core, 4 GB of RAM, and the latest version of Python. To install Chia, use the following command. First, install packages. After that, add gnupg key. Next, set up repository. And finally, install chia-blockchain by running the following command. When the installation is finished, you can go in your desktop and looking there for the Chia blockchain. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.